Today class is applications of Le Chatelier's principle. We discuss two applications, Haber's process and contact process. First one, Le Chatelier's principle application on Haber's process. In Haber's process, ammonia is prepared. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Delta H, that is equal to minus 92.4 kilojoules. First, effect of temperature. टेम्परेचर इफेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अमोनिया. अमोनिया जो फॉर्म हो रहा ये एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन से फॉर्म हो रहा है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अमोनिया इज बाय एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. सो लो टेम्परेचर फेवरेबल फॉर द एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन according to Le Chatelier's principle. According to Le Chatelier's principle, low temperature favorable. Why? If we decrease the temperature in this equilibrium system, then heat liberated reaction, that means exothermic reaction takes place. Ammonia formation is exothermic, so forward reaction takes place. We get more yield of ammonia. But at low temperature rate of reaction is slow, so optimum temperature 725 to 775 Kelvin is used in the Haber's process. And iron used as a catalyst. Molybdenum it is used as a promoter. Promoter means it activates the catalyst. Promoter not directly increase rate of reaction. It increases activity of catalyst. Because the activity of catalyst increases, rate of the reaction increases. We get more yield of ammonia. Carbon monoxide, this one is the poison. If carbon monoxide is present, it combines with Fe and form iron pentacarbonyl and decreases activity of catalyst. So we remove traces amount of CO present in the container. That is effect of temperature. Next, effect of pressure. Second one, effect of pressure. According to Le Chatelier's principle, if we increase pressure, then number of moles decreased reaction takes place at equilibrium state. Here formation of ammonia, number of moles 2, reactants moles 1 plus 3, 4. So number of moles decreased side. So high pressure is favorable. So high pressure 200 to 500 atmosphere can be used. High pressure is favorable for formation of ammonia. Next, C, effect of concentration. Effect of concentration is simple है. To get high concentration of ammonia, we take high concentration of N2 and H2. Or time to time, if we remove ammonia formed, then also forward reaction takes place. We get more yield of ammonia. This one is the application of Le Chatelier's principle on the Haber process. Next, second process, that is contact process. In contact process हम सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4 इस केमिकल को प्रिपेयर करेंगे. ये 4 स्टेप प्रोसेस है contact process. In that crucial step is conversion of SO2 to SO2 plus O2, it gives rise to 2SO3. This one is the main step. Here delta H value minus 189 kilojoule per mole. Okay. This one is also exothermic reaction. First factor, effect of temperature. First factor, effect of temperature. Here formation of SO3 is a exothermic reaction. So low temperature, as we discussed in last application, same low temperature favorable for the formation of SO3 because SO3 is exothermic reaction side. Forward is exothermic, backward is endothermic. So low temperature favorable. But at low temperature rate of reaction is low, so optimum temperature 673 Kelvin, this temperature is maintained. Not very high or not very low. And vanadium pentoxide V2O5 acts as catalyst. Platinum is also acts as catalyst. Platinum costly रहने से vanadium pentoxide को generally use करते हैं. Next one, effect of pressure. Effect of pressure. As pressure increases, reaction number of moles decreased side takes place. Here formation of SO3, number of moles decreased side 2 plus 1 3. So high pressure is favorable, but in this process high pressure is not used. ये process में high pressure नहीं use करते. Low pressure 1.5 to 1.7 एटमॉस्फेयर यूज करते हैं. इसका रीजन ये है SO3 इज मोर एसिडिक, इसको एसिडिक नेचर ज्यादा रहता है. ये कंटेनर आयरन कंटेनर वॉल से रिएक्ट होता है, कंटेनर वॉल से ही रिएक्ट होएगा. इट करोड्स द मेटल कंटेनर्स बिकॉज इट इज मोर एसिडिक. इट रिएक्ट विथ कंटेनर वॉल्स and causes corrosion. So high pressure is favorable for reaction but not maintained. Low pressure 1.5 to 1.7 atmosphere is used. Next, third effect, effect of concentration. किसी भी रिएक्शन में प्रोडक्ट का यील्ड बढ़ाना है तो रिएक्टेंट का concentration बढ़ाना है. To get high yield of SO3, high concentration of SO2 and O2 are taken. So these are the applications of Le Chatelier's principle on Haber's process and contact process.